this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get salt in Once Human. It's pretty simple. You'll need salt for things like the meat dryer over here, which you can see is currently working with salt. If you hover over an empty slot here, it tells you that you can get it from a stove, but that's a little bit confusing. What you need to do is open up your Memetics with O, head across to Memetics here, and on the Logistics tab, make sure you have stoves researched here. Then you need to place yourself a stove somewhere in the world like this. So B followed by right click and undo. Facilities followed by production, you'll find the stove over here. Put it down and interact with it. Inside of here, you'll find the new salt recipe that just requires seawater. This is simple enough to get. Simply make your way towards the closest ocean, which for me is over here. For you, it could be quite a distance. Anyways, heading down to this ocean over here that I'm right next to at least, we should be able to hop out here somewhere on the beach. Walk across to the water and just hit G to collect salt water the same way that you do normal water. Once you've collected this, all you need to do is head all the way back to your base, either by teleporting or driving back to it, walking, etc. And you should now be able to use some of that salt water in the stove to craft yourself some salt. That's it. Punch in the amount and craft. You'll just need a handful of water as well. 1 salt water and 3 logs should give you just 1 salt over here. After you've crafted 1 salt and picked it up, I think you'll get about 7 of them. So heading across to your dryer or whatever it is, you should be able to pop it in and bam, there we go. That's it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been TroubleChute and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.